welcome to our Discovery Club Tech Demo program. Discovery Club is a weekly library program for ages 8 to 12 where we do science, technology, engineering, and math experiments, demonstrations, and projects. So if you want to learn more about Discovery Club, just give us a call or visit us at the library and we would be happy to tell you more or sign you up. At Discovery Club, we use a lot of really cool technology, including what I want to show you today, which is the Squishy Circuit Kit. So Squishy Circuits are circuitry kits that include conductive and insulating dough that are used to light up LED lights, activate buzzers, and spin motors. So I'm going to show you a quick project today, but you can do a lot of really cool stuff with the Squishy Circuits. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to make insulating and conductive dough, and then we're going to do a quick and fun squishy circuit project. For the project I'm doing today, all you need is conductive dough, insulating dough, the battery pack filled with batteries, LEDs, and these are optional, but they are tools so that you can shape your dough. So I might use them, I might not, but they come with them in the pack. So I'm going to be making an octopus. So I need to make 8 legs and a head, and then I'm going to be using the insulating dough to keep 2 pieces of the conductive dough separate. So first thing I did was make the 8 tentacles for my octopus. And then this is going to be the octopus head. But I'm actually going to split it into 2 parts, but I'll first make a big round circle. Alright, so what we're doing is we're building a circuit. A circuit is the path in which electrical currents flow. A completed circuit is always a circle, always comes back around. Starts at the battery, goes around, and then comes back to the battery. That's why there's 2 pieces here. A short circuit is an electrical circuit in which a path of very low resistance has been created. So a short circuit would be if you put this in and this in the same place, because it's just going right around like this. So you're trying to avoid making a short circuit. And that's why we're going to have to split our octopus head with the insulator dough. So the purple dough, any of the colored dough, is conductor dough. So a conductor is the material or object that allows electrical current to flow through. So the current can go through our conductor dough. But the insulator, on the other hand, does not allow electrical current to flow through it. So what we want to do is put the insulator dough in between so that when we put our LEDs on for the octopus eyeballs, then they won't just go straight through this purple dough and skip the LEDs altogether. Instead, it's going to have to stop with the insulator dough, and it's going to have to travel through the LED lights instead of traveling straight through the dough. So our next step is to include our lights. We want to put one on the top of the head and one at the bottom of the head. This is going to be our eyes. And I'm going to do two eyes. One at the top and one at the bottom. So I put the longer wire on top because the LEDs have one short wire and one longer wire. So you want them to be together so they both have the longer wire on top, which means I want to put the red battery and squish it in on the top there, and then my silver and black cord is going to go on the bottom half where the bottom or the shorter part of my LED is. And then I just turn it on and I've got my octopus head all ready, and it just needs its legs. Thanks for joining me today at our Discovery Club Tech Demo program. Don't forget, you can call us or visit us to learn more about Discovery Club.